Tell us about what goes on here. Tons.
Oh, so many things. So here at the blacksmith shop, today we are talking more so about a very, very cool little program that we've been running here at the fort called craftsmithing, where folks come here for an hour and you get an hour with a trained blacksmith who will show you the ropes and help you bring home something that you want to show off and something that you'd be happy to hang your coat on. Just there is the kind of hook we're making, and that kind of hook is, yeah, it's amazing. It's a very fun project to do for a first-timer, and it happens Friday to Thursday, Friday to Sunday. It happens twice a day. I would recommend that you guys call in advance or you book in advance. Feel free to do that at our website. It is $20 and is free for and is available for people over 16 years of age.
Amazing. And sorry, I think it's the process too that people love about it. It's not just the finished product. How's it done?
How's it done? Well, here, I can show you one part. Right now what I'm doing is I'm pulling my bellows, adding some air to my fire, and then I will be putting the bend in a piece of metal like this one for that hook shape. So what I'll do is I'll go grab my piece real quick.
And you know what? He was actually going to get me to hit it, and Kenny says, no, not with this mic. We don't trust her to do that. He's got the coals. It's got to get pretty hot for it to get to that point. Ooh.
So now what I'll do is I'm going to cool off the tip, just so I don't mar it up, and then bend.
Oh, we'll get the sound from that too. We're really almost at a time. When's this happening? Saturdays?
This happens Friday to Sunday at 11 to 2.